Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of ethical hacking, and we're pitting two absolute powerhouses against each other, BlackArch and Parrot OS. These are not your everyday operating systems. These are the specialized tools that security researchers, penetration testers, and yes, even some of you guys, use to probe for vulnerabilities and fortify digital defenses. Now, both of these operating systems come with a serious arsenal of tools, but they each have their own unique strengths and weaknesses. BlackArch is known for its sheer volume of tools. We're talking thousands, making it a favorite among hardcore professionals. While Parrot OS boasts a more streamlined, user-friendly experience, which can be a huge advantage for beginners and intermediate users. So the question is, which one reigns supreme in the ultimate ethical hacking showdown? We're going to break down the specs, the features, and the overall user experience to see which OS comes out on top. We'll be looking at everything from the installation process to the depth of their toolsets, and how they perform in real-world scenarios. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which OS is right for your ethical hacking journey. Let's get started. First up, we're taking a deep dive into BlackArch, a powerhouse in the world of ethical hacking. This operating system is notorious in the ethical hacking community, and for good reason. It's a go-to for many professionals. It's built on Arch Linux, which is already known for its customization and flexibility, but BlackArch takes it to a whole other level, offering unparalleled capabilities. Think of it as the ultimate hacking toolkit, packed with every conceivable tool you could ever need for penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, and digital forensics. It's a one-stop shop for all your hacking needs. Now, the first thing you'll notice about BlackArch is its sheer size. It's not just a simple OS, it's a comprehensive suite. We're not talking gigabytes here. We're talking about a massive repository of over 2,700 tools. That's an enormous collection, that's right, over 2,000 tools, all pre-installed and ready to go. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for hackers. It's like walking into a hacker's dream workshop with every gadget and gizmo you could ever imagine. The possibilities are endless, but this massive arsenal comes at a cost. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. BlackArch isn't exactly known for its user-friendliness. It's a bit of a beast to tame. It's definitely geared towards experienced users, people who are comfortable navigating the command line and configuring their own systems. It's not for the faint-hearted. If you're brand new to Linux or ethical hacking in general, BlackArch might feel a bit overwhelming at first. It's a steep learning curve. However, if you're willing to put in the time and effort to learn the ropes, BlackArch can be an incredibly powerful tool. The rewards are worth the effort. It's constantly updated with the latest security tools, and its vast repository means you'll likely never have to go searching for a specific tool again. Everything you need is right there. It's all right there at your fingertips, ready to be deployed at a moment's notice. Let's talk about some of the key features that make BlackArch stand out. These features are what set it apart from other hacking distributions. First off, it supports multiple architectures, so you can run it on a wide range of devices, from your standard x86-64 PC to ARM-based devices like the Raspberry Pi. This flexibility is a game changer. This makes it incredibly versatile for different hacking scenarios. Whether you're working on a desktop or a portable device, BlackArch has you covered. Another standout feature is its live boot capability. This is a lifesaver for many hackers. You can actually run BlackArch directly from a USB drive or CD without having to install it on your hard drive. This is perfect for quick, on-the-go operations. This is incredibly useful for penetration testing on the go, as you can boot up BlackArch on almost any computer without leaving a trace. It's the ultimate in portability and stealth. BlackArch also boasts a powerful package manager that makes it easy to install, update, and manage all those thousands of hacking tools. It's a breeze to keep everything up to date. It's incredibly efficient and ensures that you always have the latest versions of your favorite tools. No more outdated software. But it's not just about quantity with BlackArch. It's also about quality. The tools are top-notch. The developers have carefully curated the toolset, including only the most effective and reliable hacking tools available. You can trust the quality of what's included. You'll find everything from network scanners and vulnerability analysis tools to password crackers and exploitation frameworks. It's a comprehensive suite. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the learning curve. It's something that can't be ignored. As I mentioned earlier, BlackArch isn't exactly a walk in the park for beginners. It requires dedication and patience. The command line interface can be intimidating, and the sheer number of tools can be overwhelming at first. It's a lot to take in. However, there are tons of resources available online to help you get started with BlackArch. You're not alone in this journey. The official website has extensive documentation, and there are countless tutorials and forums dedicated to this powerful operating system. The community support is fantastic. Plus, the Arch Linux community is known for being incredibly helpful and welcoming, so don't be afraid to ask questions. There's always someone willing to help. Overall, BlackArch is an absolute beast of an operating system for ethical hacking. It's a powerhouse. Its massive toolset, flexibility, and constant updates make it a top choice for security professionals and experienced hackers. It's a must-have in the arsenal. However, its steep learning curve and command line interface might be a barrier for entry for some users. But for those who persevere, the rewards are immense. Now let's shift gears and talk about Parrot OS, the other contender in our ethical hacking showdown. While BlackArch might be the go-to choice for seasoned veterans, Parrot OS aims to make ethical hacking accessible to a wider audience. It's designed with user-friendliness in mind, offering a more approachable experience without sacrificing power or functionality. One of the first things you'll notice about Parrot OS is its sleek and modern desktop environment. It's based on Debian, which is known for its stability and reliability, and it comes with the Mate desktop environment by default, which is both lightweight and customizable. But don't let the user-friendly interface fool you. Parrot OS is still packed with a powerful arsenal of hacking tools. While it might not have the sheer volume of BlackArch's repository, it still boasts an impressive collection of over 1,000 tools, covering a wide range of ethical hacking needs. One of the key advantages of Parrot OS is its focus on anonymity and security. It comes pre-configured with tools like Tor, I2P, and VPNs, allowing you to browse the web and conduct your hacking activities with an extra layer of privacy. This is crucial for ethical hackers who need to remain undetected while probing for vulnerabilities. Parrot OS also includes a suite of tools specifically designed for digital forensics and incident response. So if you're investigating a security breach or trying to recover lost data, Parrot OS has got you covered. Another area where Parrot OS shines is its versatility. It comes in multiple editions, each tailored to specific use cases. The Security Edition is the most popular choice for ethical hackers, while the Home Edition provides a more general-purpose operating system with a focus on privacy and security. There's even a Cloud Edition designed for running Parrot OS on virtual machines and cloud servers. One of the standout features of Parrot OS is its built-in Anon-Surf tool. This handy utility routes your internet traffic through multiple servers around the world, making it incredibly difficult to track your online activity. It's like having a cloak of invisibility for your internet connection. Parrot OS also includes a feature called FireJail, which provides an extra layer of security by isolating applications from each other and the operating system. This means that even if an attacker manages to compromise one application, they won't be able to access your entire system. Now, let's talk about the user experience. As I mentioned earlier, Parrot OS is designed to be accessible to users of all skill levels. The graphical interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, even if you're not familiar with Linux. The installation process is also straightforward, and Parrot OS comes with a handy welcome screen that guides you through the initial setup and introduces you to the different tools and features. It's like having a personal tour guide for your new ethical hacking operating system. Parrot OS also benefits from the Debian community, which is one of the largest and most active Linux communities in the world. This means you'll have access to a wealth of documentation, tutorials, and forums where you can find help and connect with other users. Overall, Parrot OS is an excellent choice for ethical hackers of all skill levels. Its user-friendly interface, robust security features, and versatile toolset make it a compelling option for both beginners and professionals. Plus, its focus on anonymity and privacy makes it ideal for sensitive security assessments. The active community around Parrot OS also means that you can always find someone to help you out or discuss new hacking techniques. Regular updates ensure that the system remains secure and up to date with the latest tools and features. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned professional, Parrot OS offers a balanced mix of usability and power, making it a versatile tool in the world of ethical hacking. So which OS is the best for ethical hacking? It really depends on your needs and experience level. BlackArch offers a vast array of tools for the seasoned hacker, while Parrot OS provides a more user-friendly experience with robust security features. Whichever you choose, both are excellent options for diving into the world of ethical hacking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech comparisons and reviews.